How to create a team on Microsoft Teams for Windows. You can use Microsoft Teams for a personal account and for business. If you create a personal account, you will not be able to create a team, but you will be able to be invited to one. If you have the Teams button, then it means you have a business account. The first time when you get on the Teams app after you sign up, you will get this zone on the right. If you do not get this, go on the Teams tab and at the bottom you will have the option Join or Create a Team. Click on that. You will see the same options as I see here. To create a new team, just go with the mouse over this zone and click Create Team. You will get lots of templates and types of teams. Check these templates and see if your organization or company is suitable for any of these teams templates. We will use in this demo a team from scratch, so click From Scratch. On Privacy, you can set up the team to be public or private. If you set this to be public, then anyone in your team can join and add other members. If you set up it as private, then only team owners can send invites. Set up this how you like and click the option you like more. For this demo, we will create a private team. Write the team name. Only letters, numbers, and spaces are allowed. You can also write a description. Click Create. You can now add members to the team on the Teams for Windows. You can enter the name or the email of that person. You can add a person as a member or a guest. What are the differences between members and guests? Members are the people in the team. They talk with other team members in conversation. They can view and usually upload and change files. They also do the usual sorts of collaboration that the team owners have permitted. Guests are people from outside of your organization that a team owner invites, such as partners or consultants, to join the team. Guests have fewer capabilities than team members or team owners, but there's still a lot they can do. Click on the option you want. After this, click on Add. After you have added a member, just click on the Close button from the bottom. Now the team has been created. Please note, you sometimes need to take a bit of time so the team may appear. You can add as many teams as you like. Click on the Teams tab. Click on the Teams tab. And on the bottom, on this section, you have the option Join or Create a Team. Click on that. You will be able to go on the same process and add one more team on Microsoft Teams for Windows. This is how you create a team on Microsoft Teams for Windows. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.